Hey, what's good, fellow golfers? This is Chris from Uniform Projects. So today I'm gonna be unboxing a MGI Navigator AI GPS electric golf cart. So I've been thinking lately that after first 9 holes, back 9, I get really tired. Usually I will be walking for about 5 miles. I've been doing some research and realized I came across potentially using an electric golf cart that can really help sustain your energy throughout the whole 18 holes. So that's why I decided to get the one with the remote control and narrow down to that Navigator AI GPS. It's a long name, but so AI version might be, still about future proof. I think I can get about 5 to 7 years out of this, potentially more, maybe less, but we'll see. So let's get to the unboxing. All right, coming to you from 14th hole actually, from Cherry Creek Link in Riverhead, New York. It's actually a very beautiful course, but right now I'm using the electric cart. I still have a lot of energy left compared to what I'm used to when I'm using the push cart. So, and money well spent. All right, until next time, keep swinging, have fun on the course, and see you on the next video. Bye.